Hello everyone, my name is Nur Asya binti Hassan. My metric number 8503080351720001. I am currently student Bachelor of Nursing Science with honors at Open University Malaysia, Kota Baru Learning Center. I am in January 2026 semester, and this semester I'm taking the course OUMH 1303 on English for Oral Communications. Today I will be delivering a speech entitled A Report on the Survival of the Malayan Tiger. The Malayan tiger is not just an animal. It is a symbol of strength, courage, and national identity. However, despite its strength, this iconic animal is now facing serious threats that put its survival at risk. In this speech, I will report on the background of the Malayan tiger, the threat it faces, the conservation effort being carried out, and why it is important for us to protect this endangered species. The Malayan tiger is subspecies of tiger that live mainly in the tropical rainforest of Peninsular Malaysia. It is one of the important wildlife species in Malaysia and it's often used as national identity. Although it is smaller compared to other tiger species, it is extremely strong, fast, and intelligent. Tigers are solitary animals, meaning they usually live and hunt alone. They rely on their sharp senses, strong muscles, and excellent camouflage to hunt prey such as a deer and wheelbarrow. Their structure allows to blend into the forest, making them effective hunters. As a top predator, the Malayan tiger plays a critical role in maintaining ecological balance. It helps control the population of other animals and ensure that the ecosystem remains stable and healthy. Without predator like the tiger, the natural balance of the ecosystem can be disturbed, which may affect many other species. Despite its strength and importance, the Malayan tiger is facing many serious threats. One of the biggest threats is habitat loss. Forests are being cleared for agriculture, development, and human sentimental. As a result, tigers lost their natural habitat and hunting areas. When their habitat becomes smaller, it also becomes more difficult for them to find food and survive. Another major threat is poaching. Tigers are hunted illegally for their body parts, which are sold illegal wildlife trade markets. Even though laws has been enforced, poaching activity still continue and affect the population. In addition, human tiger conflict is increasing. As humans expand into forest area, encounter between humans and tigers more frequent. These conflicts can result in injury or death and create for among communities. Today, the tiger is no longer just a predator. The- It has become a victim of human activity and environmental changes. Fortunately, various conservation efforts are being carried out to protect the Malayan tiger. The Malaysian government, together with environmental organizations, has introduced laws and policy to protect and protect endangered species. Wildlife patrol teams are sent into the forest area to prevent illegal hunting and protect wildlife. Conservation programs also focus on protecting forest reserve and restoring natural habitats. In addition, modern technology such as camera traps and tracking systems are used to monitor tiger populations and study their behavior. Public awareness campaigns are also important in educating society about the importance of wildlife conservation. However, despite all these efforts, the number of Malayan tiger is still decreasing. This raises an important question. Are we doing enough to protect them? Thinking about this, the Malayan tiger is more than just a wild animal. It is part of Malaysian identity, culture, and heritage. If this species become extinct, it will not only affect wildlife but also the environment and national pride. Protecting the tiger also means protecting the forests, river, and other species that depend on the same ecosystem. In other words, by saving the tiger, we are also protecting biodiversity and ensuring a healthy environment for future generations. This shows that every effort to protect the tiger contributes to the larger impact on the environment. In conclusions, the Malayan tiger is a remarkable animal that plays an important role in maintaining ecological balance. In this speech, I have discussed its background, the threat it faces, the conservation effort being carried out, and the importance of protecting it. Although the tiger is strong, it cannot survive alone. It needs protection, awareness, and support from all of us. Because if the Malayan tiger disappears, we do not just lose an animal, we lose a part of our identity and our future. Thank you.